all the beneficial parasite you need inside your soil. Now your soil left barren. When I say barren, what I mean? All the insect gone and it start turning sand. How you rejuvenate your soil? You go around and you start grabbing this will rejuvenate your soil. These will bring your soil back to life. Now, these grass, these leaf you seen, if you mix them into your soil, what's gonna happen is it's gonna start pulling back the earthworms and all the beneficial insect you need in your soil. This gonna also blend in with your soil and start to make your soil get back thick. Instead of being sandy, it's gonna start to get back thick and nice, because we have now, these gonna start to break down and blend itself into the soil. This is why I use these every time. If you notice, let me show you. If you notice, all these areas already dig. This is one bed right here, not bed row. This is another row right here. This is another row. I start here, over here, done prepare already mixed in with the leaf and all these things on the ground. This whole area down here, already prepared. This whole area over here, already prepared. So this is just waiting for the spring. This already prepared. The leaf already blends in. All these things already happen. So now it's just waiting for the spring. Okay? So this is a good way to bring back your soil if you have bad, sandy, dead soil. What you need to do, you want to do it natural, guys. You want to do it natural. You don't want to do it in a form of using things that you know is not going to last. You don't want to use stuff that you know not going to last. It's only going to last for a period of time. When you do it this way, what happens is it creates that moisture. It creates, look at the soil. It creates that moisture. Look at it. You see what happened? Because this is what blends in. Every year we have the leaf, we have the grass. So now the soil is so beautiful and soft. You know, you could go down with your hand. Beautiful and soft. Nice soil. How did I get this soil to become this beautiful? I'm showing you every day. Get the leaf. And you know what, guys? Let me show you guys something. Because I want you guys to see what I'm really talking about. Because when I tell you this garden was clay, you mightn't believe. So I want to show you something. All this area, if you notice, you're going to be seeing clay. You see? All these areas is clay, naturally clay. But I'm going to give you more proof that this whole thing is clay. Okay, let me show you what I'm talking about. You see? What's going on here? Okay. I don't know, guys.